All right, man. I've been playing guitar for over 45 years, but this is the first time that I ever ordered a guitar on that was delivered to me. So I'm gonna open it up here. I haven't seen it yet, and if they gave me the right one, then it's gonna be a Japanese-made '60s model. It's not expensive at all, but I don't think I've ever owned a model from the '60s. So we got this package in here. Looks like magazine stuff. Wow, yeah, I can see it. Oh, it looks old. You can see the headstock. A lot more magazine stuff. Make sure I clean this up before my wife gets home. Happy life, happy wife, right, guys? Well, got more paper. So we're getting there. Anticipation, right? Yeah, you completely filled up the box here. I think I can pull it out now. Yeah, it's a height. Well, it's original packaging, but it's cold, so whether or not I'm going to plug it in, I don't know, but I was planning on it. But here it is, man. It's a solid guitar. Got the 4-piece back plate. It's beautiful wood. I mean, look at that neck and headstock. I think it's a 66 or a 67. I don't remember. And it's got a 1 volume and tone control there. Wow, look at that tailpiece. Really nice. It's like stainless steel. Look at that bridge. 1 pickup. There's a truss rod right there. I wonder how many frets it's got. 15, 16, 17, 18, only 20 frets. So it's not in tune. I guess I'll try to tune it a little bit. I wish everybody that's watching this had a chance to hold this. I mean, it's just light. It's got like a beautiful tobacco burst. Look at that pick guard. And once again, look at the back there. That is gorgeous, man. And I got it for 135 bucks, which I'm sure the thing probably went between $35 and $50 back in the day. Well, it looks like it's got some chipping right there. I wonder if it had some repair, because it's got a big crack right there. The guy I bought it from failed to mention that. But still, it's, I don't know. Maybe the guy doesn't play himself, so I'm going to quickly go get my tuner. I'll be back and before you can count to 10, hopefully. Yeah, where's the tuner, man? Oh, maybe I got the tuner over here. Yeah, right in front of me. So let's check this out. See how it plays. Maybe we can plug her in and get it in tune real fast. I mean, I literally just got this thing 20 minutes ago, and I'm like a little kid in a candy store because I should probably just let it sit for a while. But figured I might as well open it up and have a lot of people take a look at it. All right, so sorry about that. Maybe some of you guys fast forwarded it. We'll plug it in. It's a 60s model. And like I said, 66 or it's going to be hard to tell because it doesn't have a serial number. So turn on the amp. It works, man. For a minute there, I didn't think it was going to work. I'm going to have somebody they'll take the strings off. They're relatively new and just lower the action. Guess you can do that right here. Right? Little dials there. But it's got the one pickup. It's super cool, man. Thanks for watching this. 60s. Oh my gosh, you gotta do something about the action. You can see it's a little high there from top of the frets to the bottom of the string, but the neck feels great. Feels like so it probably will hold the tune eventually when it warms up because it's kind of cold where I am. And the truck driver just delivered it, but 60s, man. All right, man. Thanks for watching. Keep playing and have fun.